Friday. So yesterday it was root grinding and today it is trimming of branch. He's right up there. How nicely they have tied everything, making sure that the branches don't fall on the roof or anyone else's property. But it's a very, very risky job. Look at that. Yep, just one person up there doing it. Fine. Here. That this will become mulch. Wow. Okay, I'm glad to see that you got harness. Okay, so there's another guy there, right there, helping. Alright guys, stay safe and have a good day.